What's up everyone, it's Winstonee back today to give you guys a brand new video. I hope you all are having an amazing day. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be doing a how-to on texturizing your hair. This was a much requested video. This time, instead of using the extra strength texturizer, I'm going to be using the blue box, which is the regular strength Lester's Scurl. Okay, so I'm just going to dive straight into the tutorial. So just like the red box, it has the same contents in it, which are the Scurl Texturizer Cream, the Scurl Alarming Neutralizing Shampoo, Gel Activator and Activator Moisturizer, the Pink Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion, and the instructions. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to comb my hair out using an Afro pick. This is to make sure there are no knots and make sure all the tangles are out of my hair, so that way the Scurl can effectively get to all the strands. Okay, so now that my hair is tangle free, since I have longer hair, I'm going to divide my hair into 4 parts and apply the Scurl cream that way. It's a lot easier and more effective to apply the cream in sections of your hair rather than the whole thing. That way you'll know you applied a good amount to all parts of your hair. The parts don't have to be perfect. Next, I'm going to apply the Pink Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion around my edges all over my head. You do this to protect your scalp from scalp burns. Other alternatives to this can be Vaseline or Hair Sheen. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the texturizer cream. I'm going to do this one section at a time. Now you're supposed to use gloves, but I didn't have any at the moment. So technically, since I've already had a texturizer in my hair, I'm supposed to only be doing a retouch and retouching my roots, but I usually just retexturize all of my hair when I texturize again. It's probably not the most healthiest to retexturize your hair rather than retouch your roots, but it's just what I prefer to do. So with applying a texturizer and or retouching it, it's always best to start applying the cream to your roots and then working your way up to the ends of your hair. Now obviously I'm not following my own directions, but that is the best way to apply the texturizer to your hair because your roots always take longer for the cream to affect than your ends. Then with each section, you're going to want to make sure you run your fingers through the hair to make sure you've gotten all the strands. So now that I've applied the cream to all the sections, I'm going to bring them all together now to make a hole and then run my fingers through my hair just to reassure that I've gotten to all the strands and that the cream has gotten to every part of my hair. Then I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and comb through it. Since the ends of my hair have already been texturized, I'm only going to leave the cream on my hair for 10 minutes, just enough time to take effect on my roots. There's a time chart in the instructions to allow you to determine the best length of time to keep in for your hair. When the time is up, make sure you've washed out all the texturizer cream with the Color Alarm Neutralizing Shampoo that came in the box at least twice. The suds from the shampoo will go from pink to white when you've washed out all the cream. I'm also going to condition my hair with Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restorative Conditioner. Now I'm off to wash my hair. So if your hair is similar to mine, this is how it should have came out after you shampooed and conditioned your hair. The next step after your hair has dried would be to use the Activator Moisturizer and the Wave Gel Activator. I personally don't use these. When my hair needs moisturizing, I use Palmer's Olive Oil Spray. And I style my curls by letting my hair air dry and just leaving them without gel. And this is how my S-curl looks when my hair is dry. If you have the same haircut as I do, you can finish off the look by brushing down your sides. I use Blue Magic grease sometimes to moisturize my sides and brush them down. And that's the finished look. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and hair tips. Check out my website, thewinstonee.com. I have an article on there that gives you the pros and cons of texturizing your hair. And I'll see you guys in my next video.